Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: how do you know if your HUAWEI FreeBuds 5i are charging? So we can check it for the charging case if we connect the case to the power. So connect it here, and right here if you see the LED light, meaning that your earbuds are charging. Also, we can check it in the application. You need to open HUAWEI AI Life app, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap on them. Now, right here we have charging case, and if I connect charging case to the power, we see a lightning bolt near to it, but you need to put your earbuds to the charging case. At least one. And now, as you can see, we have a lightning bolt near to it, so it means that your charging case are charging. It do not show this lightning bolt for the earbuds, so you cannot check it for them. But maybe it's just on my phone, I don't know. You need to check on your. Also, if you want to check it for the charging case, you need to check how much battery you have, then put your earbuds to the charging case. Of course, you need to make sure that your case charging. And then close the case, and after some time, let's say 10-minute check, is the battery level changed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.